Right, so second day on the trail, and we're doing beat trail. I'm going to try and get some footage of that, see if we can capture some of the vehicles. But beat trail is a fairly flowing trail, so we're not going to do much stopping. Hier eens afkomen, hier is spatie links. Slowly, daar hij. Dit is recht, hier kan maar gaan. Ja. So this is one of the nice obstacles on beat trail. Not a difficult one, but can be daunting when you're alone. Net kyk omdat jy lank is, jy draai mooi van daai volgende een. So ja. Jy kan maar jou draai so begin maak. Hy daar skynsklip waaroor jy ry. Regs. Jy kan maar draai. A little bit left. You can go a little bit left. Right now, straighten out. Yes. That's your line. That's your line. Just follow Dirk. Right. Ja. Straight. Your line's right. Straight. Okay, slowly, slowly. Up. Yes. Good. Now turn right. Sharp right. Sharp right. Sharp right. Completely right. Yes. You actually want your front wheel to drive over this rock. Yes, that's enough. Yeah, correct, correct. That's good, that's good. Straight, straight. That's good. Now I can straighten out. Yes, that's good. Right now, right. You can go come right down right. Come down with your right wheel up here. Yes, slowly, slowly. Okay. Come here now. Come down this. Sorry. Forgot I'm filming. Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's good.
Ja, jij bent daar vader. Kom je aan. Yep, oh.
Ek is amper seker af van Angie sal haar reg het afklim.
Ja, dat is wat hij nou wil doen dan.
Wil hy dit doen?
Hij wil haar afpakken.
She'll have the option tomorrow to go up it if she wants, because we're going to do it in the reverse tomorrow.
Oh, okay. I think she's just worried that she's going to keep everyone up. But, I mean, we're here 2 wheels, so I don't think anyone minds.
Jy moet nou net onthou, dis 'n blinde hoogte. Jy kan mos niks sien as jy daar op is.
Maar je gaat maar reguit en
Jy gaan op en dan moet jy reguit op en oor.
Ja.
Jy reg. Stadig, idle. Lekker. Just slow, just slow. Right. Straight. Slowly start turning, yeah? You can start turning. It's a nice slow climb. Yeah, like that, like that. You can straighten out slightly. Yeah, straighten out completely. Straight. Straight. Now start going left. More left, more left, more left. Okay, go down. Just slowly. More left. You're right, you're good, you're good. You can now straighten out. You see what I'm saying, a blind drop. Just go down. You'll see it now. Now I can go slightly right and then follow that. More left, full left, full left. Now you don't need to see, I'll tell you. Just trust me.
I'm just curious what I'm
More, just more, go more left. More left. Okay, straighten out, straighten out. You see it now? Okay.
Like they know what they're doing to drive them, and we just like,
Go right now, go right.
We're just kind of talking there, making it look a bit better. Find out what I'm doing.
Yeah, I want you to take a different line down here because they drop down a big step. You can go left. You want to come wide. Now you need to climb that.
It's fun.
Ja, je kan rechts draaien. Daar zie. Oh. Traction, traction. Mooi recht, daar zie. Just the right amount of momentum at just the right time. Reguit, reguit. Maar zet al twee lokkers aan, dat is wel makkelijk.
Dit is wel.
Ja, kijk daar waar hy gly. Nee, as jou voorlokker aan is, dan gly jou neusie af, dan klim jy maklik. Is nie nodig nie, maar as jy hom het, why not? This is the final climb on B Trail. Andrew is one. And that's the river. And it's full, and very full. I think gaan nou af, net hierdie klip. That's the problem with the vehicles without diff locks, is that when it gets slightly difficult and they start losing traction in one wheel, then you get a bit of a problem. The Jeep shouldn't have a problem.